TMZ Composite. Jake Paul's time off after the Tyron Woodley fight started off with a bang, literally, cause the boxer/YouTuber says he's having some wild fun, from getting custom guns to private jet hookups with his girlfriend. The 4-0 fighter just posted an update on all the shenanigans he's been getting into after his split decision win over the ex-UFC champ, and it sounds like nothing short of a movie. Waiting for your permission to load the Instagram media. Finally back home after another major W in the books, thinking about how this past week created enough memories and stories to last a lifetime. Those memories include selling out Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse with Dave Chappelle in the crowd, raging at his after-party in Cleveland and at Miami clubs, getting an insane customized PRBLM child AR-15, which he says is worth $50,000, and buying his GF Julia Rosa Lamborghini's worth of Cartier jewelry. Oh yeah, and then he said he hooked up with her on the way home. Yeah, serious baller moves. While Jake is living it up, he's still getting called out by potential future opponents. Tommy Fury told us he'd finish off the Paul bro in 3 minutes. And then Tyron Woodley, who really wants a rematch, but won't get his "I love Jake Paul" tattoo until after the fight agreement is in writing. Gallery launch gallery. Julia Rose Hot Shots launch gallery.